Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change a keyboard font size in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So how to change our default keyboard's font size? We need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for general management options menu. Next we need to tap Samsung keyboard settings, and here we're looking for the font size. So right now, as you can see at the top, we have this slider, and at the bottom we have example of our keyboard. How does it look right now? So we can make our numbers, our keyboard a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. It's not exactly a slider. We have three settings, as you can see. So let's make it a little bit, let's leave it in the middle or the smaller one, whichever we prefer. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.